Hey guys, welcome back to Berry Melt's channel. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe to make these awesome egg muffins. Alright, so to get us started, you're going to need 6 large eggs, 10 to 12 slices of pre-cooked bacon, a cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese, half a cup of milk, 1/4 a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. So before you get started, do make sure that you preheat your oven to 350 degrees and go ahead and spray the muffin pan. Okay, I'm going to use this fully cooked original bacon just because I don't want to have to make the bacon beforehand. So this is just really easy to go ahead and have that made. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take pieces of it and just break it up into little pieces and put those on the muffin pan. So this is what it should look like. You should use a decent amount of bacon. So we're going to go ahead and put that aside and we're going to start making our mixture for the eggs. Okay, so we're first going to start with 6 large eggs. Go ahead and crack them open and put them into a medium-sized bowl. Alright, so once those eggs are in there, you're going to go ahead and add your cheese. Put about 75% of the cheese from that 1 cup because we're going to save the rest for the top of the egg bites. So that's about how much you need to have left over in your cup. Alright, and then you're going to add a half a cup of milk, 1/4 a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and then 1/4 a teaspoon of black pepper. Alright, you're going to go ahead and just mix it all up. Alright, and this is what it should look like. Now we're going to transfer this over to the muffin pan. You're going to want to put about 1/4 a cup of the egg mixture in each of the muffin cups. Okay, and once the mixture is in the muffin pan, you're going to go ahead and take the rest of that cheese and just sprinkle it over each of the muffin cups. Okay, now all you need to do is pop it in the oven and you're going to bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, so they just got out of the oven. This is what they look like. They smell amazing, so let's see what I think. That is good. This recipe was actually inspired by the Starbucks egg bites that they have. I saw them and I said, you know what, I bet I can make that at home, and these taste just like them. I was worried that the additional salt that we added in would be a little bit too much, but it's not. It's actually quite perfect. And the Italian seasoning adds a really nice flavor. And just so you know, these have about 100 calories and around 7 grams of fat for each muffin. So if you like those Starbucks egg bites that I'm talking about, give this a shot. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. And let me know in the comments down below if you give it a shot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.